Presenting the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: solar ray deep tinted glass, remote keyless entry system, radio data system, power 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, power heated exterior mirrors, foldable mid-gate door, and halogen fog lights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.